Did you know you can turn your $1,000 monthly earning into buy your dream car? If you don't, then you have to come forward. Welcome back to my channel. Into this video, my name is Abdugo. If you are new to this channel, and into this video, I'm gonna teach you step-by-step process how you can afford your dream car if you are earning $1,000 monthly. So the first step I'm gonna tell you is that if you are earning $1,000 a month with expensive, with tax, you must be able to save $300 every month. So if you are able to save $300, this is not easy at all. It's very hard to save $300 from $1,000 monthly, but you have to be disciplined. This is a step process. You have to be disciplined and serious with it. So you have to be able to save $300. This is the first step. Saving $300 every month, you are good to go. So $300 every month is $3,600 every year. $3,600 is not that it's money for your dream car. No, it's not up to money for your dream car. But how are you going to turn this $3,600 into getting your dream car? That is the second process. So the second step is that your $3,600 that you are getting a year, you have to save it for 2 years. So $3,600 a year is $7,200 in 2 years. So 2 years of saving $300 cannot buy a dream car. Yeah, but till what this video said to end, getting $7,200, you can afford cars like Honda 2004, Toyota 2004 to 2006. You can get a car like that. And with this car, it's not for flex. This is not your dream car, but this is a strategy to get into your dream car. With this car that you just bought with $7,200 if you are in the United States, you can get a Camry of 2006 with $7,200. And after you get it, the next thing is that you have to. The third process is that you have to start working with Uber. Yeah, you have to start working with Uber. If you're working like 7 hours a day with your daily job that you're earning money monthly with, so after your job, after you come back from work, you can start working with Uber. And working with Uber is the third process, and like the third step on this video that will help you to get your dream car. Working with Uber, you can make up to 6 rides every day if you are working with Uber and you are well ready for this, because this is a dream and you have to work for it. You don't have to be lazy, you have to work and you have to be consistent. And every rider can only work 6 days a week, so you can work all the weeks. And this is the best part. If you are working for Uber and you will be able to get 6 rides a day, 6 rides, you can get up to like $20 every ride, and they will take their own cut. They take up to 5 to 7% for every driver, so you are getting up to $15 for every ride. So if you get $15 for every ride and you get up to 6 rides a day, I'm just assuming. This is not a promise that you get 6 rides a day, but I'm just assuming you are getting 6 rides every day, but you'll be going home with $90 every day. I'm just assuming. This is not a promise. If you go away with $90 every day, you are going to be making $540 a week. Yeah, that's good. And making $500 every week, you $2,160 every month. Yeah, we are getting into it. All this money is not for your dream car, but this is the step. So making that a month will get you $25,920 at the end of the year. And this all is not your money. You know, you have to pay for tax, and tax in the US get at least 20% out of your own self-employment, because it is self-employment. So after the 20% of the tax, you're going away with $20,736 every year. Also, don't forget, you are still making your $3,600 every single year. So Here is the step 4. Like, here is the step 4. This is where the story starts. Making $20,736 a year with your 3600 every year from your work. All together make it $24,336 a year. So all this money, you are going to save it for 5 years. The process is 5 years. After the first step, the second step, the third step, the fourth step, the process is that you have to save your money for 5 years. $36 in 5 years with your 20,726 or from your Uber job. Together in 5 years, it will be $132,680 you make after 5 years. So this money can buy your dream car. Yeah, it's what. So here is the interesting part. $123,860 can buy your dream car, fairly used. It's not new, but fairly used. You can buy Porsche 911, or we call it 911. Porsche 911 with 120. And you can also buy Lamborghini, like fairly used Lamborghini, used Lamborghini. You can't buy a new one, but you can buy used Lamborghini. That is your dream car. You can buy Porsche, any of supercar you want with this money, with this strategy. This is just a quick way of turning your $1,000 earning into your dream car. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna make many more videos for a way you can turn your monthly salary into your buy a dream car. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. God bless you.